Hey all, my name is Paul Borosky and I am the owner of Quality Business Plan as well as Quality Business Consultant. And what I'd like to do today is to share with y'all some of the updates I've made to my advanced bar and lounge business plan template. So the way the video is going to play out is I'm pretty much going to just walk you all through 2 or 3 changes that I've made to my advanced bar and lounge business plan template. And then when I'm done with that, we'll wrap it up, sum it up, and call it a day. All right, so let's go ahead and just dive right into this quick little PowerPoint presentation. So the first thing that I did was I updated the industry research for my bar and lounge business plan. Specifically, what I did is I went to IBIS World, which is an industry leader in industry research, and I went ahead and did a little bit of research on the bar and lounge industry, and I compared the research that is currently available with what I had in my business plan template, and anywhere that I could update the industry information I did. For example, I updated the revenues for the bar and nightclub industry. I updated the profits, the profit margins for competitors on average, the number of businesses, employment, as well as wages. So all that good information has been updated, and so now when you do purchase my advanced business plan template for my bar and lounge companies, then you're now going to have a foundation with current research to build upon. All right, the next thing that I did is I added the best and worst case pro forma financial projections for the bar and lounge industry. So typically when a business owner does a business plan, they're going to provide a pro forma profit and loss statement showing their next 5-year annual projections that they think they're going to be able to meet for their organization. And that is the standard way to approach your pro forma financial projections. However, an industry trend right now has been providing the reader with a scope or a range of where the revenues and costs and profits may land based on your research. So what I've done is I've given y'all the capability to do so with the best case and the worst case scenarios for your pro forma income statements. So the default that is set for the best case and worst case is 15% in revenue growth for the best case scenario based on your actual projected numbers, and then a 20% decrease in revenues. So, and also these numbers right here are changeable. So you can, instead of having a best case of 15%, you can do it at 10% or 20%, whatever works for you. These numbers can be changed, and when these numbers right here are changed, then your pro formas for your best case and worst case will change accordingly as well. And so the benefit for the reader is now they have a better understanding. Well, you know what? Yeah, these are where you think you are, but now they have an understanding of what the range could be. You know, if things get a little bit difficult, then here's what the numbers may look like, and then if things are really good, then here's what the numbers may look like. So it helps the reader understand the scope or the range of where your revenues, your costs, and your net profits may fall. All right, so hopefully this information was helpful, and as always, let's go ahead and wrap it up and sum it up. So if you do purchase my advanced bar and lounge business plan template, the link is right here to buy it. It does come with a customizable Word document, as well as a tutorial to help you all go through the Word document. It also comes with the advanced financial model, which is customized for the industry. Comes with a basic strategic plan that is, again, customized for the industry and is also customizable. And then it comes with free business plan templates, and you can access the templates at this link right here. They are free. You can use them before or after you purchase it, completely up to you. Just keep in mind, all of my business plan templates do have some limitations. First, it is not compatible with Google Docs, and it's also not compatible with Apple products. So you do need Microsoft Excel, and you do need Microsoft Word in order to make the changes. And then finally, if you have questions or comments or you want to have a discussion about my advanced bar and lounge business plan template, feel free to pick up the phone, give me a call, send me a text, send me an email. I'd be delighted to have a great conversation with you as to what you can expect for the template. However, if you have questions after you purchase it, I do not offer free phone support. If you want me to help you fill out that template, be delighted to, but there is a fee for that service. All right, so if you're interested in buying my bar and lounge business plan template, the link right here to purchase it is right here. And then finally, if you don't want to mess around with templates, you don't want to mess around with tutorials, you just want a professional to write your business plan for you, or you just want a professional to do your pro forma financial projections, I'd be delighted to do that. Just check out my link right here for my prices for services. All right, hopefully this information was helpful. As always, go out, make a little bit of money, and have a great day. Thank you.